In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write curved text in MS Word. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Word and open the document where you want to add your curved text. Once your document is open, go to the Insert tab in the ribbon. From there, look for the text group and click on Word Art. You will see several word art styles available, so select a style that suits the design you are creating. After selecting a word art style, a text box will appear in your document with placeholder text. Replace this placeholder text with the words you want to curve. You can type any text that fits your document or design. Once you have entered your text, make sure the word art object is selected so you can access its formatting options. With the word art selected, navigate to the Shape Format tab in the ribbon. This tab contains several options for customizing your word art. Look for the Text Effects option and click on it to open the available effects. From the Text Effects menu, hover over Transform. This will display different transformation styles that you can apply to your text. Look through the available options and choose a curved style that matches the effect you want. For example, you can select Arch Up to curve the text upward, or Arch Down to curve it downward. There are also other transformation styles available, so choose the one that works best for your design. After applying a curved effect, you can adjust the amount of curvature to get the appearance you want. To do this, look for the yellow handle that appears on the word art text box. Click and drag this yellow handle to adjust the curve. Dragging it in one direction will increase the curve, while dragging it in the other direction will decrease it. Continue adjusting the handle until the text has the amount of bending you need. Using these options, you can effectively create and customize curved or bent text directly in Microsoft Word. This is a simple way to give your text a more decorative appearance while keeping it as editable word art. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel.